What if you could lawsuit-proof your money the same way billionaires do, step by step, legally, without hiding a single dollar? This isn't theory. This is the exact strategy the ultra-wealthy use to keep their fortunes locked up tight, even when they're staring down multi-million-dollar losses. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works so you can start building the same protections before trouble ever knocks at your door. I am the business guy, the CEO of the Lawyers Limited Law Firm and Asset Protection Planners. My team has set up more Cook Islands trusts than any firm in the world, and I've been building these legal shields for 34 years, nearly 30 of those specializing in Cook Islands trusts. So if you want more strategies like these, subscribe now so you don't miss the tools that the top 1% rely on to stay untouchable in court. Okay, first of all, let's start with what doesn't work, because that's where most people unknowingly fail. Case in point, Michael, a business owner worth about $6 million. He had 3 rental properties, a successful company, and a decent investment portfolio. He thought he was protected because he had LLCs for his properties, an umbrella insurance policy, and some trusts his estate attorney set up for him. Then came the lawsuit. A tenant claimed a building defect caused permanent injury. The insurance company found an exclusion in the policy, a common thing. The plaintiff's attorney found a way to pierce the corporate veil of the LLC, and the trust he had, just a standard revocable living trust, no lawsuit protection. And by the end, Michael had to sell 2 properties, liquidate a third of his portfolio, and take a second mortgage on his home just to settle. Lesson: most millionaires protect their wealth with paper-thin shields. Insurance alone isn't enough. LLCs aren't magic force fields, and domestic trusts can be cracked open by U.S. judges. Now, billionaires think differently. They don't just own assets, they control them through layers of legal separation. Here's the key difference. Millionaire thinking, I own this property, but it's in an LLC, so I'm safe. Billionaire thinking, I don't own this property, my structure does, I just control it under the right conditions. So they operate under one guiding principle: own nothing, control everything. Because lawsuits aren't about what you did, they're about what you have. And if you have money, you're a target, period. Now keep in mind, if you're not a billionaire yet, this is not a message to billionaires. The principle in this message is not about being a billionaire, it's to learn from financially successful people and to apply it in your own life. Now here's where the lawsuit-proof part comes in. One of the most powerful tools is a Cook Islands trust, a structure in a jurisdiction with the strongest asset protection trust laws in existence. Now when we set up one for a client, here's the structure. Cook Islands Trust at the top, inside it a Cook Islands LLC. Now, under normal circumstances, and we do this for people all over the nation and all over the world, you, the client, are the initial manager of that LLC. You control the bank accounts, investments, everything. Now, when legal trouble hits, our licensed bonded trustee company law firm in the Cook Islands step in to protect your assets. Now, here's the loophole. U.S. courts have 0 jurisdiction over our Cook Islands trustee companies. Even if a U.S. judge orders you to turn over the assets, the trustee is not subject to that order. That's why this structure is the legal gold standard for lawsuit-proofing money. Here's a real case example: the billionaire who didn't blink. Now here's a real case with names changed. A tech entrepreneur worth $480 million was sued for $90 million after a failed partnership. If you can't relate to those figures, just divide it by 100 or 1,000. The plaintiff even won a U.S. judgment, but his liquid assets were held inside of a Cook Islands trust structure. The trustee refused to comply with the U.S. court order. The plaintiffs would have had to start from scratch in the Cook Islands under Cook Islands law, with a 1-year statute of limitations on fraudulent transfer claims in his case, and a beyond a reasonable doubt burden of proof. They didn't even try. The case settled for a fraction and his wealth stayed untouched. Now you might be thinking, great, when I get sued, I'll just move my money offshore. Not so fast. If you wait till after the lawsuit is filed, you may already be too late, and I'll explain why in a moment. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make when they try to lawsuit-proof their money. In asset protection law, timing isn't just important, it's decisive. And when you set up a Cook Islands trust before trouble hits, your protection is virtually bulletproof. After you've been sued, it may still protect you, but you're exposed to fraudulent transfer claims and it can cost you more. In other words, Cook Islands can still protect your money better than any U.S. jurisdiction, even if you transfer assets post-claim. But it's riskier, costlier, and the legal battle is tougher. That's why billionaires treat asset protection like a sprinkler system you install before the fire, not while your house is burning. Okay, next up, layering tactics that billionaires use. Now, billionaires don't just rely on one shield, they layer them. For example, Cook Islands Trust is the fortress wall. The Cook Islands LLC is the armored gate. Equity stripping, recording liens or mortgages on U.S. properties payable to the offshore LLC is the moat. And then if needed, we put alligators in the moat. We find third-party lenders who buy the mortgages and place the proceeds in your offshore LLC's bank account. Each layer operates in a different jurisdiction, multiplying the cost and complexity for the attacker. Now, here's something I haven't told you yet. This billionaire loophole isn't just about lawsuits. It's also a stealth estate planning weapon, and most people have no idea. Here's the estate planning bonus built in. A Cook Islands trust can bypass probate, protect assets for multiple generations, and shield them from heirs, divorces, and bankruptcies. Now, billionaires use it to pass on wealth privately with instructions on exactly how it's managed. It's both lawsuit-proof and legacy-proof. Okay, so let's talk about the cost of doing nothing. If you're a high net worth individual with no serious asset protection in place, you're gambling. Over 40 million lawsuits are filed annually in the U.S., one for every 7 Americans. And once you're sued, everything's on the table. Your business, properties, savings, even retirement accounts in some cases. And billionaires know this, and that's why they act early. Okay, so here's your closing takeaway. The billionaire loophole to lawsuit-proof your money isn't magic. It's mindset, timing, and structure. They separate ownership from control, keep assets in a jurisdiction U.S. courts can't reach, and put their defenses in place before the threat appears. If you want to learn more, you can feel free to visit us at assetprotectionplanners.com. You can get a whole lot of free information there. And remember, the best time to lawsuit-proof your money is before you need to.